Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are doing a full face testing some new makeup and some old makeup that I've just had. I went to Ulta sometime last week, I think. So I actually filmed that video. It's a like come shop with me, what's new at Ulta. I just posted that on Wednesday, so if you guys want to check that out first, I will have it listed up here. But pretty much I am going to be testing out the products that I ended up picking up from Ulta. There's a few new things here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. All products that I'm using today are mainly affordable, an exception for like 2 or 3 that are a little bit more high-end. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump into today's full face tutorial using new and old makeup. Okay, skin is prepped, it is moisturized, it is thriving, it is glowy, it is soft. So let's start with the eyes. I have 2 palettes that I'm going to show you guys really quick. These are brand new by LA Girl, but they actually just launched 2 more new palettes. So I haven't even had a chance to play with these. These are the Main Stage and VIP palettes. This one is called the Desert Dream. These are the Desert Dream eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Backstage, and it's a really pretty like blue and purple and green eye palettes. Super duper cute. The other one is called VIP, and this one is a pink and yellow orangey palette. I don't know what colors I want to use, but we might either use these 2 or my local Walmart just carried these. I don't think these are very new, but these are the Electric Blues palette by Profusion, which looks like this. It's a really pretty, just an all blue. I guess I'm just in the mood of using a blue eyeshadow palette. I don't know, but that is what this one looks like. It's super cute, and blue is always a vibe. I'm actually going to try and use all 3 palettes if possible. So I'm first going to take the VIP palette, and I'm going to start off with this shade right here, which is called OOTD. It's a really pretty pink, like a reddish pink. And I'm really wanting to create like a fun, vibrant spring look. So let's see what we come up with. I'm going to start that in the crease. I'm going to stamp it in. And I think I'm going to wing this. I haven't done a winged outliner eyeshadow in a while, it feels like. Ooh, this color is really pretty. It's not like your typical hot pink. I'm going to just use that same brush and just lightly diffuse the edges, keeping the color on the crease, but tapping off like the rough edges. I'm gonna move on to this palette, and I'm gonna take this really pretty, it's like a blue purple. It's definitely turning out to be a little more purple, which is okay. And I ended up switching brushes because I wanted something a little more precise. This is a Stilazzi brush, which is really nice for detailed work. I think I'm gonna go into the blues, electric blues, and I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade Nautical. I'm gonna see how it layers with the purple, because ooh, that blue is really pretty. Oh wow. Okay. That's actually the color that I wanted. Ooh, that's pretty. Profusion palettes are super, super, super affordable. I think I'm gonna do a Profusion one brand tutorial very soon or something, because their brand is like bomb. Those are the colors that I'm using on the crease. And now I'm gonna do my cut crease using the same Camel concealer from e.l.f. I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna take a mix of these 2 shades, and we're just applying that all over the lid. I'm first gonna go in with the lighter one. Oh, the pigment on the foiled shadows on these palettes are probably one of the best that I've tried from the drugstore. They're super, super pigmented. This one is like a really pretty, like a periwinkle color, which I've been meaning to use a color like this and I just haven't. Oh my gosh, that color is so pretty. All right, I am gonna go ahead and do the same on the outer corners that I always do, just with those purples, and then I think we can move on to the face because the eyes are pretty much done. This is such a fun color, yay! Okay, we're gonna move on to the face. The eyes are looking fierce. I am living for them. So, first things first, a primer, Rare Beauty. This is the Pore Diffusing Primer. I actually really like this one. It feels so silky and creamy. And it does do a pretty good job of just like diffusing the pores, making the skin look really nice and blurred. I wouldn't say that this is like ideal if you are super oily, because I noticed that it did make me a little oily, but I can definitely get it under control. For my foundation, I picked up the new NYX Bare With Me Luminous Tinted Skin Serum. Now this one is a sheer coverage, so this isn't going to give me like any coverage whatsoever. But Laura Mercier recently released a tinted moisturizer. This one also has SPF, which is a plus. Now this one, it says that you're supposed to reapply it every 2 hours, which for me it's just not ideal. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mix them both. I am going to take the NYX serum. This one is in the shade Universal Medium, which I don't know how this can be a universal shade, but okay. The applicator is really cool. I think I'm gonna drop some on the skin, and then I'm gonna take some of the Laura Mercier. I feel like this is gonna be a horrible combination. Oh my gosh, this is so dark. It's the NYX one that is really, really dark. And P.S. this is also a brush from NYX. I guess I should have not expected to have any coverage, and today is the day that I need it because my skin is like breaking out. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over the skin anyway, since I'm already here. I'm actually just going to mix this on the back of the hand. This is supposed to give you like a luminous finish. It's really pretty if you want just the most minimal coverage, if you have really good skin, if you don't have anything to cover up and you just want your skin to look luminous and soft and glowy and have SPF on it, then I think this is something that you will enjoy. I don't know how often I will reach for this product, if at all, just because I know that my skin is going to get super oily. Like, I already see it. It's very moisturizing. I actually had to add a little bit of coverage onto the skin because I couldn't do it with no coverage. Like, I just can't, especially because the eyes are so bold. So I just used my favorite one, the Too Faced Born This Way. I am like this close to running out, and that is wow, because for me to run out of a foundation, that is saying a lot. Also, this brush is actually really nice to blend out the skin serum or any tinted moisturizer because they are a little bit lighter. If you want a brush specifically just for your tinted moisturizers, I do like that one. For my concealer, I do like that one. I felt like they said that weird. For my concealer, I'm going to use this one. It is the Lip Bar Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Honey 2.0. This is a Black-owned brand from Walmart. I don't know how new they are, but I had never seen them before. This is supposed to be like super full coverage. Ooh, the applicator is really nice. So we're going to see. I've tried some of their glosses and they're so nice. If you guys have tried any products from this brand, let me know your thoughts. And I don't know, do you guys want to see maybe like a full face tutorial on this brand? I wish this concealer was a little bit lighter, but the finish of it is really nice. It's very luminous. Okay, this concealer is like full coverage, you guys. Wow, I was not expecting that. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and set. I don't have any powder, so I am going to use the Milk Makeup Setting Powder. I have not used this in forever. It was sitting in the very back of my drawer, which makes sense of why I had not used it. I honestly don't even remember. Oh, there's powder everywhere. If I like this product or not. Just going to press it on the skin. There's so many brands right now coming out with like BB creams and tinted moisturizers. Actually, Maybelline just released a new one and I've been trying to look for it. I have not found it yet. So if you guys spot it at Walmart, Targets, Rite Aid, CVS, let me know so I can go grab it and review it for you guys. but it's like the year of tinted moisturizers apparently. For my bronzer, I'm going to use something that I've already used on my channel, but it's still a new product. It is the new Patrick Ta She Sculpted Cream and Powder Bronzer. I'm not going to use the cream one since I already have my face set, but I'm going to go in with the bronzer, and this one is really pretty for like medium to tan skin. And the cream one is nice. It blends out, but it's definitely for sculpting because it is a cool toned. I've been really liking my bronzer just up high a little bit more, like right here. Then we're gonna bronze up the forehead. Okay, so for blush, I wanted to use this one, the Bear With Me Luminous Cheek Serum, which is also new by NYX. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys just so you can see what it looks like. It is in the shade Peach Bronze. However, this one has absolutely no color to it either, which to me, I'm like, okay, I get it. I see the idea behind this product, but at the same time, it's like if it's going to be tinted, it needs to have at least a little bit of tint. And it's blended into my arm, it's blended into my hand, it literally disappears. There's like no coverage whatsoever, which to me it's like, it doesn't make sense in my head. I don't know what's the point, but whatever. For the blush, I'm going to use the new Artist Couture Love Sprung palette, and I'm going to go in with the berry shade. And I'm going to switch brushes. This one is really nice. These are really pigmented, you guys, like really, really pigmented. So you have to be super careful. I like to swipe off a little bit of product on the back of my hand or on the hand because it's so easy to just go in and whoop, apply too much blush. That color is gorgeous. Okay, for my highlights, this is a Milani product. Again, I don't know how new this is, but I had never seen it. Maybe I just never noticed, but it is called Spark Plug, and it is a highlighting duo. And I'm first going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that on the cheekbones. This one is a really pretty golden color. And then I'm going to take this shade. This one is super intense. It is pretty golden, but it looks super nice on like medium to tan skin. These are the type of highlighters though that will show texture. So if you have tons of texture on your skin, maybe go with something that's a little bit more on the baked formula. Those tend to be a little bit softer on the skin and they're a little more texture friendly. I'm gonna set everything. I'm gonna use the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach Mattifying Priming Spray. This one smells so delicious. It smells just like a peach. I went ahead and popped on some lashes. I will have the names listed down below. These are so pretty. But for the lips, I picked up two different lipsticks, or a lip gloss and a lipstick from NYX. This is from the new XXL lingerie launch. They have a whole bunch of different shades. This shade I thought it was going to be a little bit more nude, but it's not. But it kind of goes with the eye look. And then I also have the new Milky Gloss in the shade Cookies and Milk. This is a more cool toned gloss, which I don't know if I want to use that today. So we're going to try this out. This one is called Stripped Down. These are supposed to be super long wearing and comfortable on the lips. Okay, that's actually pretty. Okay, I do like this color. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I paired it with the NYX Nutmeg lip liner. Wow, these are like super comfy on the lips. They feel very like creamy and velvety. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of the gloss to the center just to make this look a little more cool toned, since the eyes do have a cool tone color to them. And that completes the look. This is a full face using new and old makeup. What do you guys think of this fun, bright and colorful look? I love the way the eyes turned out. They're so fun, very spring, very just out there in your face, which I am here for. The lips, you guys, I really like this lip combo. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but You know, that's what happens when you play with new colors besides your typical nudes. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does really help me so much with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys for being here again. Love you all. Stay safe. Have an amazing weekend. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.